on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Me and Garrett are here and we're about to head down to our work real quick because we have something very exciting today. As many of you know, I finally got my wing and we're gonna slap it on today. I'm so excited for this. Obviously Garrett's gonna be helping me out today, but it should be a good day. So we're just gonna get a couple rolling shots and we'll see how it goes. Start heading. I'll pick the video back up when we get to work, but let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to my work. I took off my stock wing. Gonna have to find some plugs for these holes, but this wing is gonna be sitting right here, across obviously, so I'm gonna tape this up and then we'll find our marks and then we'll start drilling into the hatch. Kind of nerve-wracking, but it's gonna be worth it. About that. Fantastic. The glass just shatters. He's so scary. Hey, put it back up. Metric or standard? Metric. There should be some in there. I don't have a ton though. Everything I worked on is. Well, sorry, I don't have the tools for you.
No, that's fine. It should be for you too.
Wiener.
You have a Volkswagen too.
Wiener.
Hey. Hey. Fucking sturdy, dude.
All right, so we got the the holes drilled. Now we're just gonna take off the tape, slide in. We gotta cut these because they're too long. And then we should be able to get this wing on. Great success. All right, boys, we got it on. Oh, baby. Looks sick.
Flat.
Like it was a little loose. I don't know what I'm supposed to do about it.
So on the inside, we still got to cut these off, but it's on there.
Maybe it's this thing.
What are you doing over here?
Putting a license plate cover on. Ah, look.
Sheesh.
Yeah, look.
Got the new sticker on. Little slow boys. Someone's touching my butt. Where you going, dude?
Nowhere. Gotta go see what Aaron's doing.
All right, guys, so we made it home. That's gonna end today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a kind of hectic, but the wing is finally on and I'm so happy about it. It just looks so good. Very happy with the result. Really added to the rear end. And yeah, just look at that. So sick. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more content. Gonna be uploading every single weekend, so you guys have content all the time. But that's gonna be the end of this video, and I hope you guys have a good weekend.